It's kind of hilarious that I actually have to make a video upon this, but since this is making a lot of buzz on the internet, I feel like it is kind of necessary to address this particular scenario. So yeah, there it goes. Itachi is not actually coming back. All those news are actually fake. So hello and welcome to Unwisely. My name is Soham, and in this video we are going to talk about the fake rumors, the quote-unquote apparent leaks which are floating around on Twitter in relation to Boruto manga chapter 59 and the apparent return of Itachi. Now right out of the bat, let me tell you all that Itachi is not coming back as of right now in the Boruto series. I mean, there's literally no reason for him to come back other than maybe some filler arc like the time slip arc. Other than that, there's absolutely no indication for him to come back whatsoever. I'm not saying that any dead villain from the Naruto series is actually not coming back. There's a huge theory as to why Kaguya might eventually come back in the future of the Boruto series, but that's a totally different case. In relation to Itachi, however, he is not coming back. All of these sources which are apparently claiming a source that Kishimoto himself gave an interview that due to immense fan pressure and fan appeal, Itachi Uchiha is eventually going to make a return in the Boruto series. That is absolutely a fake and false statement. Please do not fall prey to that. That is not going to happen. And all of these people claiming about a potential leak or a spoiler for the Boruto manga chapter 59 about how Itachi Uchiha is coming back via the Jogan, all of those things are fake. All of those apparent leaks are false. So yeah, there it goes. Again, I really didn't want to make this a video as such, but I don't know why people were so falling for it. I guess Itachi is just a fan favorite character, so that's why maybe a lot of people were, excited to see him coming back eventually in the Boruto series. I really would not like that to happen, honestly, if you ask me. Instead, I actually want Sasuke to have a heart-to-heart with Sada and tell her the entire truth about the Uchiha clan massacre and basically the truth about her uncle. That would be a real emotional moment, something which I really want to see in the future of the series. So there it goes. All these rumors claiming about an eventual return of Itachi is nothing more than a fake leak. So yeah, please do not fall prey to that. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you all in the next one.